Alright, so this is the angle we're trying to find, and this is the leg adjacent to it, and this is the hypotenuse. So adjacent and hypotenuse, we're dealing with the cosine. So the cosine of my angle is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, so 12 over 13. And if I want to solve for theta, I got to undo what's happening to it. So undoing the cosine, I want to take the inverse cosine of both sides. So theta is going to be the inverse cosine of 12 over 13. So if I take my calculator and do, usually on calculators it's inverse cosine, second cosine, 12 divided by 13, and we get 22.6 degrees. So the angle is 22.6 degrees. Check. We do it again. I'm going to do the odds down here. So again, we look, this is our angle, this is the leg that's adjacent to it, and this is the hypotenuse. So again, adjacent and hypotenuse, we're dealing with cosine. So the cosine of my angle is 6 over 9. I undo my cosine by taking the inverse cosine of both sides. So theta is the inverse cosine of 6 over 9. So I do inverse cosine 6 over 9, and I get 48.2 degrees. I do it again. Here, my angle, this is the leg that's opposite, this is the leg that's adjacent. So opposite and adjacent is tangent. So the tangent of my angle equals 7.7 over 14. So to undo the tangent, I take the inverse tangent of both sides, and that'll undo that. And so my angle will be the inverse tangent of 7.7 divided by 14.